Hey guys, Brian Gagne here. This is going to be a very quick video walkthrough of one of my demo blogs. Now, all of the blogs that I have for sale here are going to be really similar to this blog. They all are based off the same theme, and they all have a lot of similarities. So what you see here on the solar energy blog is pretty much going to be the same on any of the other blogs. So the first thing you're going to notice on all the blogs is the slideshow here. This is actually a $50 value, this plugin. If you were to go and buy it from its author, that's how much they charge for it, and that's included in all of the blogs. So get a great value there just by getting that plugin. Now you're also going to notice there's a bunch of advertisements already on the blog, and they're ClickBank advertisements, but it's actually very easy to change these to AdSense or Commission Junction or whatever, or to different ClickBank products. That's all extremely easy to do. And you also have a bunch of preloaded PLR articles on the blogs, and those are also easy to change or spin, or if you want unique content, you can just go and rewrite these articles, or you can put your own articles in. It's very easy to do. This is just a standard WordPress blog. I'll show you the back end in just a minute here, but it's all very easy to modify. You're also going to get, as a bonus, 25 extra articles that you can then put up to keep the site content fresh and to keep updating the blog. And you also notice there's a video section here. This is going to have some videos from YouTube, and you can change these videos out. There's a couple YouTube plugins that are included that make it very easy to embed YouTube videos. So you can change these or add more to them very easily. There's a product review section, which is just going to pull up all the blog posts that you make that are reviewing products. So if there's one in here, and you can just switch this out to your own affiliate link. But you can definitely add more to them, and that's another great way to make money from the blog. So I'm gonna go quickly here and show you guys the back end. Let's go to WP Admin. So if you're familiar with WordPress, then you know what you're looking at right now. This is the standard WordPress backend. This is very easy to add posts. You just go to posts, and you can edit the posts that are already here, or you can add a new one, and it's very intuitive, very easy to do. And then it's got some of the things that are going to be unique to this blog. One of them is the Obex Mobile plugin. This is a very cool plugin. This is another premium plugin. This actually costs $50 by itself. But you'll get it included with the blog, and this allows the blog to be formatted properly for mobile devices, which is super important right now because everyone, a lot more and more people are browsing the web through their mobile devices. So you want to make sure that your blog is going to be, in a format that's usable from their mobile device. And so by having this Obex Mobile plugin, it'll create like a custom version of the blog that'll be just for the mobile devices, and they'll be able to see everything and see your advertisements right on their mobile device. And then you'll also notice that this is a premium theme. It has its own administration panel inside of the WP Admin, and there's a ton of options in here for kind of tweaking the theme. This is also where you would change out the top banner ad up here, and as you can see, there's a big area here for AdSense code. So if you didn't want that top banner, if you wanted to just put some AdSense up there, that's definitely an option. Otherwise, you can just change out your ClickBank affiliate link and make that ad your own, so to speak, or you can go to ClickBank and find a different thing to promote, or you could promote some other product from somewhere else. It's very flexible. Now if I go into the widgets, I'll show you the side bar here that also has advertisements on it, and again, this is very easy. It uses the ad codes and the ad squares widgets to show the advertisements. Again, these support AdSense along with your basic ads, your ClickBank, Commission Junction, etc., etc. So you can just go in here and swap out your ClickBank code, and you're good to go with the ads that are built in. Or you could change this all out and put a different type of ad in there altogether if you wanted. Now quickly look at the plugins. All these plugins come with the blog. There's security plugins, there's SEO plugins, and it's all ready. They're already activated and configured and ready to go. I mean, what you get here is actually a backup file from Backup Buddy, which is another premium product. Backup Buddy costs $150 by itself, but it's going to be included with this blog because that's actually how you're going to install the blog. You're going to make a backup, or the blog will come with a backup file. That's what you'll receive. I'll show you that in a second here, and that will Yeah, I'll show you this right here. So you'll get, this is actually the contents that you get in a zip file when you buy a blog. And if you go to the top folder here, these are the files I'm talking about. So it comes with this backup buddy file right here, and then an import buddy script. So you basically, all you have to do is upload these two files to your website, and then you run this import buddy script, and you will install the blog literally in minutes. That's how, I did it in 4 minutes in that one video. That's really how long it has to take if you know what you're doing. So it gives you the complete thing. You don't have to go and install the plugins. You don't have to install the theme. You don't have to do a separate WordPress install. It's all handled by the Backup Buddy. It makes it super easy to install. Now let's go back and look at the files here that you're going to get. As you can see, there's a bunch of videos that are included. See, that other zip file that was in there was the 25 bonus articles that was in that folder. But you also get 7 videos that are going to walk you through everything. I mean, this is kind of the quick overview of what you get, and I'm going to make a quick setup video as well. But then when you buy the product, you actually get 7 videos that are a lot more in depth and go over a lot more of the options of what you can do with the blog, and they will walk you through really step by step on everything you need to know to get the blog up and running. Now the README file is going to have the default username and password. So that's, once you get the blog installed and you want to log into WP Admin, go to the README file, and that will tell you the username and password to log into to get in the back end. And the first thing you should always do is change the password. That's something I'll be going over in the setup video. There's another file here that has the ClickBank info, and this is just information on the ClickBank files that are in the default advertisements. And so you can actually open this up, and it'll show you the link. It just says your ID dot whatever. You can just change your ID to your ClickBank ID and then use these URLs, and they will go back, to your ClickBank account. So very easy to get set up with these blogs. So you get all these, it's really an incredible value with everything you're getting here. This is a complete package. Everything you need to be up and running with the blog. You could literally, and they're so quick to install with the Backup Buddy, you could buy all 30 of the blogs I have to offer here, and you could have them up in one day. If you took, it might take a while on that one day, but if you really hammered it out, you could literally get all 30 of them up and have a niche affiliate web ring overnight with 30 blogs. So that's pretty amazing stuff. Just how easily and efficiently it is to put up these blogs. So that's it. So I really recommend going and looking at my demos, kind of poking around, and they kind of speak for themselves. They're really clean, modern looking blogs, and it's a great value. I really think this is the best value on the Warrior forums if you're looking to put up niche affiliate blogs. You're not going to find a better deal than this, and you're not going to find an easier process to install the blog than what I have right here. And also, I do offer complete support, so if you have any questions, don't hesitate, just send an email, and I'll answer your questions. Or if you're looking for the whole thing to be done for you, we can talk about that as well. So just get in contact with me, and we'll get it done. If you buy these blogs, we'll get them online. I'm not going to leave you stranded. We will do what it takes to make sure you get your blogs online. All right, so that was the kind of the video here that shows you the demo. Hopefully that answered some questions. And all right, well, take care. Thanks for watching.